Hey guys, and welcome back. I've been on a country kick lately. I did a couple of tutorials on some country songs, and it got me thinking about some songs that are really nostalgic for me that I haven't heard in a long time. So this one struck a chord. It's Tracy Lawrence, Texas Tornado. This is a great song. Literally one of the greatest country songs in my opinion of all time. So I want to walk you through how I do it. I really love this song and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. So I'm going to go through some of these chords with you real quick here. I'm going to try to break it down into just a few different sections and make it easy for you guys to understand and follow. It's not a hard song. There is just kind of a lot of back and forth repetition with some of the chords. So I'm hoping to walk you through step by step to make that very at least confusing as I can make it. So the verse is, we're going to start off, this is the intro and the verse. F major to an A7, which as we know is the A minor. We're just going to lift up this guy. You can play the A minor if you'd like. It rings out all the same. The overall harmony is the same, but this sounds really good, and I do utilize the A minor at one point, which I'll show you when we get there. But so F to A7, B flat, and then I'm going to go F, C. And we're just going to play that a couple times for the verse. So I kind of finger pick and strum at the same time a little bit, but that's just what I do. You can strum it out. It's all the same. So yeah, those are the chords. I'm going to go ahead and just run through that. I'm going to try to do it slowly for you. So So there we have the verse. You're going to want to remember that because obviously you're going to play it, but it comes back to that. So the first part of the chorus is the verse, and then it changes a couple times from there. So when we get to the chorus, I will explain that. So, but just know we're going to play into the pre-chorus, and then we're going to build back into that intro lick for the chorus. So here we go. Pre-chorus is going to be two parts. So we're going to do the first four and then the second four. The first chord you're going to need is D minor, C, B flat, A minor, and that's where I utilize that A minor. So that's the first part. And so then the second part of that is going to start on the B. So then he just starts on the B to a D minor, and then we're going to go to a G minor to C. So that is the pre-chorus. So I'm going to go ahead and walk into the pre-chorus from the verse. I'm just going to play it once through just to give you an idea how it goes through that pre-chorus. So okay, that was kind of sloppy because I was looking at the screen at the same time. So I'm going to do it again just to give you guys an idea. I'm mumbling the words again. I'm not a singer, but I want you to feel how it goes. So I hope when you play it, you sing it, and you do how I do. So. Okay, so I played that through the chorus and I mumbled the words for you the best I could, or some words, whatever that came out of my mouth. But if you notice, the chorus is the verse part, and then it's the second part to the pre-chorus. So yeah, my little Texas tornado is blowing me away again. I swore it wouldn't happen again, but I looked at you and then. So here's where it changes. We're gonna go to which is a G sharp, to a C, tumbleweed in a wild West Texas wind. You're blowing me away again. So from that chorus, it goes into G sharp to a C. And I play these power chord, that's just how he does it because it's a key change. To C, to the C sharp, back to the C, C sharp. This is going to be, you can D sharp, E flat, whatever you want to call it. I call it E flat because I build back to the F. But yeah, it's just that D sharp. So again, Texas wind, you're blowing me away, and it just rings out again. So those are all of the parts in the order. It just plays that twice through. So I wish I could sing, because if I could, I would just do a cover for you and you would be blown away. But it does sound really good. Those are the chords that make this video, or that make this song up. So again, that is pretty much it. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed this song as much as I do. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.